Hey everyone, this is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet in Tinley Park, Illinois. Today I'm standing in front of a brand new 2019 Chevy Silverado RST All-Star Edition. For the month of September, all Apple Chevrolet customers will receive over $11,500 in savings on this specific vehicle. This four-wheel drive crew cab short box comes with a 5.3 liter V8 engine, your black Chevy decals, back tinted windows, and 18 by 8.5 inch aluminum wheels. Now, when we go ahead and get inside this vehicle, you can see that we do have jet black cloth seating throughout the entire vehicle. We do have our center console, which flips into a third seat, our Chevy MyLink radio, heated seating on both sides. Now we have a heated steering wheel, your standard cruise control, and push to talk. This is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video. I hope you guys have a great day.